Is this thing working? Is this thing working? What's good, YouTube? Welcome to our channel. It's Liam from Sneaker Klinic, and today's going to be different because this is a sneaker podcast. No, dummies. I'm going to unbox this for you guys. We're going to do a sneaker tutorial. That is right. That is right. We're going to deoxidize the freaking midsoles on this pair of Nike Dunk Low Stussy cherry on top. That's the nickname, the Stussy cherry. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name, the brand name. I don't care. I don't wear that freaking brand. Don't hate me. Check out the yellow midsole. It is gross. One side is kind of whitey, the other side is kind of yellowy. I guess because the business client, they left it out for display in the store, maybe the lighting. Over time, it caused it to just freaking yellow on one side. Same as this. Look, this is kind of whitey, like your tidy whities, and this is kind of yellowy. Kind of yellowy like your stained underwear. You're gonna need plastic wrap, an applicator. In this case, I just have an older Angelus brush. Applicator for what? For freaking Angelus. So bright. This is so bright. Yeah, totally. You're gonna need masking tape. Show you why in a second. I'm gonna do my best not to cut this video so you guys get kind of like a close-up hands-on, but not really doing the work because you guys are lazy. You're behind a freaking computer phone watching this. Removes oxidation. Check this out. Restores yellowed soles and midsoles. Works with UV rays. If you got an indoor UV setup, that is perfect. You can just, get this thing all ready to go. Leave it in the box for like 10, 16, 18 hours. I don't know about electricity bills if you're rich, but I'm going to use the sunlight outside because I think it works a lot better. Because what I'm going to do is do half on both sides, lay it out in the sun. When that's done and all fun, do the other side, do that, and then see how it looks like. Let's put this over. Oh, don't forget to shake this up. Wear gloves. You're going to need gloves. I don't have gloves because I don't make mistakes. I really do miss my shoe mic. Too bad that plastic clip holding the mic is too cheap. Okay, so what I have in front of me is a little bit of clean water and a clean cloth. I'm going to basically just get it a little wet. Not too, ooh, this is very wet. All right, that's good enough. Just grab one side. Rub any surface scuff marks, dirt. You don't have to go crazy because this pair is a new shoe. It's not actually dirty, so I just gotta make sure that, if there's any nasty fingerprints, like my fingerprints, I just wanna clean it off. Make sure it's completely dry before I apply the So Bright. Just make sure you read the instructions for whatever product that you're using. Oh my God, look. See some scuff marks? Scuffies. I'm going to rub that off as best as I can. Careful, this shoe is really old. Oh my goodness, that's why I hate working on old shoes, cleaning, especially deoxidation, because I don't want the sun or anything to kind of like make this glue worse. It's already breaking down. Ooh, grab your tape. Don't tape your face if you want to tape my mouth because I talk too much. This nubuck, it is extremely delicate, especially now I can tell. It might actually just peel off if I stick this on there. So I'm going to go ahead and protect all the upper leather right here where it meets the edge of the midsole because I don't want the So Bright stuff to kind of contact the non-rubber material. You don't want that. If you happen to get So Bright stuff on an area that you don't want it to, just give up, throw the shoes away, blame Sneaker Klinic, and run away. Alright, I'm just gonna wrap the butt area. Woo! That's good enough. Looks good. Alright, there you go. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to make sure that you protect any non-rubber materials. This shoe, I'm gonna do it off camera. Let's just put it you know what? Let's just throw it somewhere else. sorry, off topic. The stitching right there, it's so wide. Come on, Nike. Freaking. All right, be very careful with this. You do not want to get this on your skin, because if it gets on your skin, you're going to start seeing some kind of white reaction happening. Make sure that you immediately rinse it off. Get some soap, run it with tap water. Oh man, I've done that many times. It is not cool. All right, so I'm going to just demonstrate with you right now. I'm going to just do half, okay? So don't be afraid to put this on the stitching, okay? Because it's a good thing to put it on. Oh, actually, it's a good thing. It's actually good to put it over the stitching as well, because it can actually assist in whitening the stitching material, fabric, a little bit. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, no need to use Clorox bleach or whatever. Applying it only on to the yellowed freaking midsole rubber material. I'm not gonna worry if I actually get a little bit on the brownie there. Don't worry. All right, let's just keep doing this carefully. I don't want to mess up. Oh man, I should stop talking. Everyone's like, this guy talks too much every time his videos. Talks way too much. All right. Okay. Just keep doing this. It's not a race. Don't do it too fast. Attention to detail is key. Now here I go again. Getting distracting. Making freaking sounds. Maybe I should just not make any sound. This should be a silent restoration. Should I just mute my mic? Sure. Hey guys, welcome back. I am done. I was just saying how much I enjoy doing this. So, I got this side done. Make sure you cap this back. Oh man, not like my last tutorial that I did. Air Jordan 1 origin story. I knocked it over accidentally. So what I'm gonna do now is grab the saran wrap, your cling wrap, and okay, yeah, cool, sweet. I frickin' enjoyed doing this with you guys, YouTube. What I'm gonna do is place the shoe on the middle. I'm gonna change the camera right now so you guys can see it. Watch this. Yes, beautiful. All right. Where's my tape? Here we go. I'm gonna need tape. If you got packing tape, scotch tape, whatever, it's all good. Whatever works. What I'm gonna do is actually carefully wrap this up like so. But while doing this, I have to make sure that I secure the saran wrap, the cling wrap. Okay, how I'm gonna do that is by using the freaking tape, guys. Come on, this is gonna waste my tape. Wasting more product. Okay, seal the tippity tip like so, carefully. Yeah, just tape it, whatever. Cool. Now, some of y'all are like wondering, why do we need to wrap it up? Can't I just apply the So Bright stuff and leave it in the sun and that's good to go? Yes, you can. But they recommend you to wrap it up because it assists in activating the product better? I don't know. Just listen to the companies. They can BS all they want. I just follow the instructions. It works for me. Oh yeah, check out my art. Oh yeah, smile. Cool. I'm going to leave this outside in the sun, remember, like that. So the sun hits this area only. And I'm gonna probably give it like a couple hours, 2, 3, 4 hours, depending how the sun is acting up today. It looks really happy, so I think it's good. You know what? You guys actually want to see this in action, right? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. We're back. A new day. I'm actually surprised. The results. Wow. I'm gonna definitely leave this out like so today in the sun. Just bake it for 2 to 4 hours, most likely 4 hours, just because, and then have a final look to make sure that it's all even in terms of the oxidation. It's got to be white all around. You don't want to have a freaking line in the middle. It's kind of like when you go to the beach and then you covered up one of your butt cheeks accidentally, and then you're sun tanning. And then you go home, you shower, and then you like look in the mirror, and you're like, wait a second, my left cheek is whiter than my right one. Okay, that's kind of weird, but you get the point. Make sure it's even. You guys are wondering, like, how did I remove the product, clean it off after it's done in the sun, having fun? Remove the cling wrap, step 1. Leave the tape on. Grab, like, an old brush and some warm water. Brush it off. When you're done, clean it. Dry it, remove the tape carefully. Thank God the tape didn't damage this stupid pink nubuck. And then dry it again, air dry, and then take sexy photos. Or in my case, it's more like, because I don't care about this. I'm getting bored. I don't like deoxidizing. Make sure you follow us on Sneaker. Almost lost myself. YouTube, Instagram, Sneaker.Clinic. Hit the like button. Do all that fancy stuff. Thank you. Yeah, just check us out for more work that we do. It's kind of bright in here. Yes, that looks cool.